Hi everyone, I am Chongwon, a physics instructor, and today we are going to go over some strategies for getting a perfect score in ACE. The best strategy to have is to have a clear view of your progress and of what you need to do. When taking notes, be sure to compare your notes to the AP course description and reread your textbook to find anything you might have missed. Write down and review any points that you think are difficult or are having trouble understanding using the Cornell note-taking method. And lastly, don't rely on just the homework and handouts to give you enough practice. Try to work out all the examples and problems in your textbook and online until you feel comfortable. Learn the testing strategies. Since the College Board tests have to be standardized, they have a limited number of question styles they can give you and a limited number of formulas and facts they can ask you about. Each question style can be answered even if you don't know the answer just through the process of elimination or by looking at other questions on the same topic. Finally, if you take enough practice tests, you're likely to encounter 90% of the same questions with only slight variations. Be sure that you're comfortable deriving equations based on the given context. Most, if not all, the questions will involve some sort of algebraic manipulation to produce the desired equation. But the questions will not deviate from the syllabus. This means that anything they can ask you, you have almost certainly seen before or solved before. You will most certainly be asked to draw the graph of a physical phenomenon, and every topic has its own equations, so you should be able to graph those equations and be able to interpret those graphs. One of the topics that students find most challenging is simple harmonic motion. And the reason for this is that for most students it will be almost impossible to derive and understand the most important equations. But there is a very easy and simple way to derive and understand them. Although those equations were derived using calculus, you can just as easily understand them by using your knowledge of slopes and sine functions.